Hey everyone, Geoffrey here. Welcome to our comparison of two entry-level phones that bring solid performance to the budget segment, the Honor X7c and the Vivo Y19s. For anyone considering an affordable smartphone, these two stands out in 2024. But which one is better for you? Let's dive in. But before that, if you are new here, don't forget to subscribe, click that bell icon so you don't miss all my latest gadget reviews. Let's get started. Starting with the design, both the Honor X7c and the Vivo Y19s sport modern looks with glossy finishes. The Honor X7c has a sleek, soft leather touch at the back for this forest green color, giving it a premium feel despite its budget price tag. The Vivo Y19s, on the other hand, embraces a similar compact build, which makes it easier to handle for one-handed use. Honor X7c is a bit more lighter, at 194 grams compared to 198 grams on Y19s. Both these devices are IP64 dust and water resistant, and for ultimate durability, both has SGS 5-star drop resistant and military grade certification, which are great added features for this budget-friendly phone. If you're after a lightweight design, if aesthetics matter, with leatherette back panel, Honor's option might suit you better. The Honor X7c's polished look could win you over. When it comes to the display, both phones offer vibrant screens for this price. The Honor X7c features a 6.77-inch HD Plus display, a 720 by 1610 pixels, and a 120Hz refresh rate, which delivers decent colors, faster response, and a good overall viewing experience for browsing and video playback. The Vivo Y19s offers a slightly smaller 6.68-inch HD Plus display, a 720 by 1608 pixels, and 90Hz refresh rate, with comparable brightness and color clarity. Honor X7c has higher refresh rate, which is better for browsing and gaming purposes, but Vivo's display with 1000 nits peak brightness allow for slightly more customization, giving users some control over warmth and vibrance, which can be a plus for media enthusiasts. Moving on to the performance, the Honor X7c comes equipped with a modest processor from Qualcomm, the Snapdragon 685, a 6nm chipset with a clock speed of octa-core 2.8 GHz. This CPU is quite old, but for this price, it's okay and decent enough for casual usage and light gaming. Paired with 8GB of RAM, plus 8GB of RAM expansion, and with 256GB of internal storage. It's capable of handling daily tasks like messaging, social media, and light gaming with minimal lag. The Vivo Y19s, however, is powered by the Unisoc Tiger T612 at 12nm CPU with a clock speed of octa-core 1.8 GHz, which is I'm not a fan of it, and it has lower performance compared to Honor X7c, also with 6GB of RAM plus 6GB of RAM expansion and 128GB of internal storage, giving it a slight less performance and stability while multitasking, but for this price, it's still okay. If you plan on using multiple apps simultaneously, Honor's Snapdragon processor offers a smoother experience with double storage and higher RAM as well. Moving on to the camera comparison, both phones feature basic dual camera setup, but they perform differently. The Honor X7c has a 108MP primary sensor and 2MP depth sensor, delivering decent shots in well-lit conditions. The color accuracy is slightly warmer, which some users might prefer. The Vivo Y19s also features a 50MP primary lens along with auxiliary lens. The main camera does a commendable job, especially in well-lit conditions. While both phones struggle in low light, the Honor X7c does a slightly better job with detail retention. For selfies, Honor X7c has 8MP selfie shooter, while the Vivo Y19s has 5MP selfie shooter. Both are usable for selfie, social medias, and video calls as well. Overall, Honor edges out for those who want a bit more flexibility in their photography. Battery life is a critical factor, especially for entry-level users. The Honor X7c packs a 6000 mAh battery, which comfortably lasts through a day and a half with regular use and supports 35 watts wired charging, while the Vivo Y19s has a smaller battery capacity of 5000 mAh battery and supports 15 watts wired charging only. Vivo Y19s supports basic charging, but the Honor X7c charges slightly faster thanks to an optimized charging mechanism and higher watts as well. Finally, let's look at the value. Both phones are priced similarly, but depending on your region. The Honor X7c priced at 569 dirhams here in Dubai. The X7c provides a strong value with decent display, with higher refresh rate, more faster CPU performance, better camera, and bigger battery. Meanwhile, the Vivo Y19s justifies a slightly lower price at 499 dirhams, with its decent performance, basic camera, and large battery as well. So which phone is right for you? Definitely, the Honor X7c is the clear winner here. If you value camera variety, smoother multitasking, bigger battery with fast charging, and a straightforward software experience, the Honor X7c is the better option. However, if you're looking for a daily driver with a stylish design, slightly better battery life, and a lower price, the Vivo Y19s is a fantastic budget-friendly choice. Ultimately, both the Honor X7c and the Vivo Y19s brings a lot to the table for entry-level buyers. It just comes down to what you prioritize. Alright, that's for today's comparison between the Honor X7c and the Vivo Y19s. Let me know what you think in the comments below. And if you like this kind of tech comparison, be sure to like, subscribe, and hit that bell icon for more exciting tech reviews like this. Thanks for watching, and I'll catch you guys in the next one. Peace out.